In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create, start, and share a session in Engage. First, open Engage and sign in. From the main menu, select Sessions, then choose Create Session. Enter your session name, description, date, and time, and set the privacy options. You can make the session public, private, or invite only. When you're finished, click Create, and your new session will appear in the upcoming sessions list. To start your session, simply click it from the list and press Join. Engage will load the environment and place you inside as the host. To share your session, open the session info page. Copy the quick link or the session ID shown there, and send it to anyone you want to join. If the session is private, participants will need to use the exact link or enter the session ID from their main menu to join. And that's it. You've successfully created, started, and shared a session in Engage,